This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power, unplug the dryer, then clear workspace and keep tools close. First, remove the minimum panels to reach the door latch. On many Indesit models, that means opening the drum door and taking out the 2-4 screws on the front or top trim. Once those screws are loose, lift or hinge the panel away carefully. Make sure clips disengage so you don't break plastic. Now you have direct access to the lock assembly and wiring harness. Don't touch contacts yet. You'll now detach the electrical connector. First, take a quick photo so you remember orientation. Press the connector tab and pull straight out. Avoid yanking wires. Then remove the small screws or release the plastic clips that hold the lock in the bezel. The unit will pull free. Compare the new lock to the old one, then insert the replacement matching the latch angle and terminal positions. Once seated, hand-tighten fasteners and reconnect the wiring using your photo as a guide to ensure you finish by reassembling the panel and securing all screws. Make sure tabs click back into place so the door seals correctly. Reconnect mains power, then perform a short test. Close the door and start a 30-second cycle or use the machine's diagnostics if available. Observe whether the door lock engages and the drum responds. If the dryer won't start or the lock won't latch, first unplug and recheck connector seating. Then test the lock switch for continuity with a multimeter. This single check solves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.